Hey guys, Mr. Lloyd here, going to work with you on Tuesday's work. This is page 1 of 3, and this is the one where it required you to go get a recipe for bread online, and then to create your own, so copy down the recipe, that was part of it, write the directions out, and then the real math part of this was about turning your recipe, converting it to look at the two most common ingredients, water and flour, and converting the recipe into a ratio. And then last step was to draw it as a tape diagram. So everyone's answers for this will look quite a bit different because, of course, there's many different recipes for bread. And so I'm not, of course, there's no one right way to answer it, no one wrong way to answer it. There's lots of different ways you could have solved this one. So I've seen some of these already come in, and some of your recipes are family recipes. Mine was just unfortunately taken from a quick Google search. I found this recipe for butter with a side of bread. I thought that was an amusing title, so I went with it. So here I jotted down my ingredient list. My directions, I kind of phoned it in. You can see there, mix it, let it rise, bake it, butter it, eat it. Not so worried about the directions. We're not really worried about learning how to cook in math in 6th grade. We're mostly just thinking about how to use a recipe usefully. So you can see here the problem asks, whoa, pardon me there. The problem asks for us to think about this recipe in terms of water to flour. And so you can see there's 2 cups of water and 5 cups of flour. So I'm going to scroll down here. And number 2 says write the ratio of cups of water to cups of flour. So pretty simple there. You can see I just wrote it there, 2 to 5. Of course, I could have written it flour to water, would have just written it as 5 to 2. So there you have it. The total is 7 parts. So that's number 3. We're going to find out, we're going to find out how many parts of water I need for every part of flour. So for every 5 parts of flour, I need 2 parts of water. That's what that sentence reads right there. Let me just minimize that so you can see that. So yeah, so for every 5 parts of flour, I need 2 parts of water. And then the last thing is to draw it as a tape diagram. And this part, I did get some questions on this early on. This is just a visualization here. Number 4, the tape diagram is just a visualization of this exact same ratio. So you can see there, I did 2 boxes there, 2 5 boxes of flour. So of course, like I said at the beginning, your answers to these will be different. So I'm not looking, of course, I don't expect everyone's recipe to be the same. That would make life really, really boring. So everyone's bread recipe is going to be different, but the basic outline should look just about the same there. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll be posting the next 2 videos for the rest of the day coming up shortly. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.